Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Razr 5G and let me show you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and enter the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to the About phone, let's tap on it and let's scroll down again to the build number. Keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're a developer, just like here. Now let's get back to the settings and here we have to enter the system. Now let's tap on the advanced and as you can see here we've got the developer options, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here we've got a lot of advanced options which we can customize. So for example, we can show view updates, we can change window animation scale, show surface updates, show pointer location or show visual feedback for our tabs. If you want to turn on the option, for example, in order to turn on the pointer location, simply tap on the switcher on it. And as you can see, it is immediately applied and activated. Of course, if you want to turn it off, just go back to the option and tap on the switcher again. If you can see the option without the switcher, for example, like here in window animation scale, simply tap on it in order to open much more settings. Let me get back. And if you're ready with the whole customization of developer options, simply tap on this switcher to turn them off. As you can see, they are not active. Let's get back. What's more, the developer options disappear from the system options. If you want to customize them again, then go back to the build numbers tab and keep tapping. So that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your Motorola Razr 5G. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.